Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use ComfyUI to create those viral-worthy social media style scarf showcase images and swap in your own scarf products easily. Even total newbies can nail this in minutes. First things first, if you've got a model image with a style you love, just feed it into any AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini, whichever you prefer, and ask it to reverse engineer the prompt for that pic. Then copy that prompt into your ComfyUI workflow, and boom, you generate a brand new image with the same vibe, and you own the full copyright for it. No more worrying about copyright strikes ever again. But wait, there's an even lazier hack. Use the prompt reverse engineering node right in your workflow. I've hooked this node up to an LLM API, so it does everything in one go. No more copying and pasting back and forth. Total game changer for your workflow speed. Now onto the key part, swapping your scarf into the model image. Upload your scarf pic to image A and use the model image you just generated for image B. Quick pro tip here, always use a scarf pic where the scarf is being worn, like this dummy model shot right here. The AI isn't quite smart enough yet to handle flat lay scarf photos. The transfer effect will look wonky and the scarf won't sit right on the model. So stick to worn scarf images for the best results. Next tip, tweak your prompt. It's super easy. Just type something like, make the model in image B, wear the scarf from image A. You don't need to be word perfect. Just get the gist across and the AI will totally get it. Last step, pre-process your images. We are mainly focusing on image B, the model pic. The goal is to remove the scarf the model is originally wearing. That old scarf will mess up the transfer effect, so we need to get rid of it first. Once you've done that, you'll end up with a clean model image like this. And that's the entire process. How easy was that?